Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and don't miss out on this one. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys, that's right, a beefaroni using hamburger helper. Alright, now, I made a beefaroni hamburger helper before. Okay, but it was a cheesy beefaroni hamburger helper. I said hamburger helper. Anyway, y'all guys, but this is what I'm gonna be using today. Other than these noodles in here, all right. I'm gonna use some panini. That's what I'm gonna use to make my beefaronis, and they're gonna be the best beefaroni ever. You heard me. So anyway, you're gonna need your 2 boxes of this right here. Actually, you need the seasoning out these boxes. That's all you need, because this is the seasoning and the pasta is in there. You're going to need 5 cups of hot water. Hot water, guys. Hot water. Please get some hot water. You're going to need 2 cups of milk. And you're going to need some salt of your preference. You're going to need some granulated garlic. Some granulated onion powder. And some black pepper. This is just cracked black pepper. This is what it's going to be. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm just going to go ahead and put because I like mine a little spicy. I'm just going to do this. So this is going to be about, I want to say about 1.5 teaspoons, guys, of cracked black pepper. Now I do have the regular pepper, but I don't want to use that. I want to be able to bite into some of this stuff here. Okay, so this is about 1.5 teaspoons. If you don't want to use 1.5 teaspoons, just go with your 1/2 teaspoon or whatever, however you want yours. Alright, that's enough of that. Alright, we're going to come with this granulated onion. Make this garlic. We're going to come in with like a teaspoon. I know it looks like I'm putting a lot in it, but it's not really. Alright, that's 1 teaspoon of that. We're going to come in with 1 teaspoon of onion, granulated onion. This is never open. I think I just bought this one. Just like so. Now if you wanted to use some minced onions, some minced onions or real onions, or what I want to say, some garlic, like fresh garlic, you can do that. This is salt right here, the coarse sea salt. I'm coming in like a 1/2 teaspoon. Nah, I ain't even doing 1/2 teaspoon. I do like maybe like 1/4. I don't like a lot of salty stuff, so I try to stay away from that. So that's why I have it in the pot. Okay. So we're gonna start cooking this up, and when I brown this up, we're gonna start adding our ingredients and all this stuff. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay, here I am just trying to mix all this stuff together. You want to mix it up. You don't want all this stuff in one spot. So you just want to mix it up. And by the way, this is like 2.5 pounds of ground beef. All right. And I did forget to tell you guys about the diced tomatoes that I got too. I'm gonna use that in there also. So when this stuff get brown, and I'm gonna drain it, and then we start adding our ingredients. Okay, guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's brown. I'm gonna go in here with 1.5 cups of these noodles, these panini. I like that. Okay, so that's about 1/2 of this box, pretty much. So it's about right here. It was up here, it's right here. So we're just gonna stir this around in here. And I will make this homemade for you guys too. It's easy to make. I just been lazy today, pretty much. Okay, now we're gonna come in here with our water. You need 5 cups. This is a 3. This holds 3 cups right here. Yep, see right there. So I gotta do 2 more cups of hot water. Okay, here's the 2 cups right here. Just gonna mix that in here. Make sure these noodles are evenly up in here. We need our milk, 2 cups of that. Make sure I got 2 cups over here. Okay, they ain't 2 cups yet. Alright, there's 2 cups of milk right there, guys. Pour that in there. Alright. Here's my diced tomatoes. I'm gonna put that in there also, because I want that to cook with it. We're gonna stir that up. We're gonna add our seasoning in there. Both packages, guys, both packages. All right. Mix this around up in here. So I'll get some off the side. We're just gonna let this come up to a broil, and then we're gonna put a lid on it and then let it simmer for about a good half an hour. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's starting to boil. So I have right here some beef base right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there just to kick it up a notch. I don't want you guys to miss out on that. I'm like, oh, okay, well, you ain't gonna know if it tastes like mine or not, but I'm just letting you know. I want to let you guys know that. So yeah, I'm trying to get all of that off this spoon. I don't want one big chunk in one spot. So it's coming off. Yep, this is going to be better than regular Hamburger Helper. So yeah, see, it's off this spoon now. So I'm going to put this lid on here and I'm going to let it cook for about half an hour. See you guys then in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Take this lid off. Give this a stir. It can cook a little longer, I believe so. I'll say about another 5 minutes on it, so it's about 35 minutes. And then we're going to turn it off and let it rest. That's the key to making the best macaroni, Hamburger Helper. Okay, anything you do with Hamburger Helper, you gotta let it stand or rest or whatever they want to call it. And the sauce right there will thicken up, okay? So please let your food rest. And I know you're ready to eat, but don't do it. And then you're gonna wonder why it's watery. Why is it watery? Because you ain't let it rest. It's got to thicken up by itself. Okay. All right. So next time you see me, I have it on the table. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm done with this best ever Beefaroni by Hamburger Helper. All right, I use Hamburger Helper, in other words, not by Hamburger Helper. But anyway, here's that. Let me let you guys see that up close. And the bowl is hot. I'm not lying to you. See that? That's how it looks. Okay, I gotta put this down. It's hot. I will taste it for you guys. Let you guys get the first bite. How about that? If I don't burn myself first. There you go. Right there, guys. That bite. Yes, it's hot. I know, blowing it. Okay. All right. That is really good, guys. You guys definitely gotta try that. Off the chain. That is super good. Let me stop eating this before I mess up my thumbnail. I did make some, I'm wasting the stuff on my stuff. I made some garlic bread out of Texas toast. Cause that's how that looked. And I did put some like Parmesan Romano granulated on it. My kids love it. So guys, if you like this video and this recipe, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please, that's right, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out.